The most tactile switches in the world. With a name like Holy Panda, these switches had to be epic. Made with stems from halo switches, housing found on Invyr Panda switches, Holy Panda switches combine the best of both worlds. The best of both worlds. The result is a snappy, tactile switch that is satisfying to type on. Compatibility. Holy Panda switches are compatible with plate-mounted Cherry-style PCBs and are perfect for hot-swap compatible barebones kits such as the Drop Alt, Control, Shift, ENTR, Carina, Planck, and Preonic. Specs. Halo switch stems, polycarbonate top housing, nylon bottom housing, 67-gram spring, plate mount, and MX compatible. Produced by Drop. Halo switch stems. Polycarbonate top housing. Nylon bottom housing. 67-gram spring. Plate mount. Style. Tactile. Stem color. Salmon. Per switch LED compatibility, SMD and through hole. MX compatible. Unlubed from the factory. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent tactile. I have purchased these, lubed Glorious Panda and Texi Purple Panda. This is the best, with the other two being very close to as good as this. The tactile-ness is a little better than the other both. With the other two, the tactile is right at the beginning, while this one starts at the beginning and seems to feel the same until bottoming out. All have the nice bump back. I didn't lube these and they sound and feel great. I think this is my favorite tactile now. But if you're on budget, I would recommend one of the others.